The algorithm isn't broke. You are. But it's not your fault. You just got the wrong advice. If you ever sat there thinking, why do my videos only go so far? Why do I feel invisible? Why can people that are only half-assing blow up, while I'm putting everything I have into this and still not being seen? The truth is, it's not because your content is bad, but it's actually because you're playing by someone else's rulebook. Think about this for a minute. YouTube doesn't come with an owner's manual. Every technique and every hack you followed has come from someone else with their own rulebook. To them, you're just a product, you're just a click, and you're just another view. These gurus depend on pain points to get you to click, and unfortunately, most of you fall for the bullshit. Now let me show you what changed my perspective on all of this. I was able to target a demographic that YouTube doesn't even cater to. Now look at this device breakdown. 49% tablet traffic. Most YouTube content gets 5 to 10% of tablet traffic, and I achieved nearly 50%, and that's a 10x improvement over platform average. So here's what my data actually shows. 118% retention on targeted content. I've literally watched YouTube manually intervene on my shorts, scrubbing live data while I was watching, removing casual scrolling views and replacing my retention with the people who were actually watching. I achieved VIP creator status with only 3 videos and 1 subscriber. Now this isn't luck, this is systematic precision. While everyone's fighting for mobile views and casual strollers and quick dopamine hits, I was able to find tablet entrepreneurs, business builders working from home after hours, and people watching from their TVs with intent. These aren't average watchers in boredom, these are people like you and me with plans. And if you're on a tablet or PC right now, then you're proving my point. You're not just a typical YouTube viewer, but you're somebody who takes this seriously. And now here's the difference between what I'm showing you and everything else you've already tried. Hope-based strategy says post more, optimize thumbnails, and pray that the algorithm finds you. But system-based strategy says tell the algorithm to find your exact tribe using systematic targeting. Hope-based creators chase trends, but system-based creators build their own data patterns. And hope-based creators wonder why they're stuck, while system-based creators knows exactly why their content either performs or doesn't perform. And what's the biggest guru hack of all time? Just keep posting. I'm here to tell you that's bullshit. Now this is my 4-pillar system. Pillar 1 is preparation. We eliminate the guru mindset and prepare for a systematic journey. Pillar 2 is the foundation, where we stop guessing our niche and start finding our tribe. System 3 is the engine. This is where we stop hoping that the algorithm finds us and we teach it who to find. And Pillar 4 is the funnel, where we stop chasing views and start building assets. Now each one of these pillars has documented results, hours of data that I've been putting together, and actual implementation strategies that work, regardless of your niche, subscriber count, or experience level. You'll weed out the casual scrollers while raising your retention. And that's what YouTube really rewards. Retention is the key here, not view count. So I'm not here to say you'll go viral. Hell, that's even contrary to my system. Remember, retention is key. But what I will tell you is this: if you follow along, you will get results. Because this is not based on hope, it's based on systematic precision. So here I am, in my garage, full of sweat, doing what I do, because why? I was in the same spot you were. I'm building this for people who need results. And now you have 2 options in front of you. You can watch these 4 videos, take notes, try to piece together your own version of what I'm showing you. Map it out for yourself, because I'm giving you all the information you need to move forward. Or option 2, if you're the type of person that values your time and wants the exact systematic workflows that I use, they're down in the description. Because I know what it's like to waste months of time trying to reverse engineer somebody else's system. I built these workflows for myself while studying all the live data, and if they work for me, I know they'll work for you. But either way, start with pillar 1, preparation. Because if your mind isn't prepared for systematic thinking, you will self-sabotage every system you try to implement. We're not here to play the game anymore. We're here to flip the whole damn thing on its head. Stop guessing and start building. Let's get to work.